said they wouldn't find us.
Chillax. No one knows we're here.
Arlene Quinzel, this is Gotham Police.
Okay, so they know. Let's scram.
Open the door!
Holy backdoor, Pete. This is getting out of hand. Bruce?
Open the door!
What is that?
Get under the table. No!
Bruce? Come here, boy. Bruce? Bruce? Bruce?
This doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I don't understand that. No one knew we were here. No one knew we were here except Doc. Oh my God. Doc! Doc! Where is he? Doc! I can't find Bruce. I can't find him. No.
I'm sorry, Lotus Flower.
You sold me out.
Too many people offering me too much money. I have enough now to open up a new restaurant. A really nice one.
Doc, it's me.
It's just business.
This next bit ain't very pretty.
You're right.
Harley?
He's right. Business is business.
I've got the kid. But I'm gonna need to renegotiate the terms of our deal. If I hand her over, I want everyone who's after me to back off.
Quinn, bring me the rock now, and I guarantee your safety. I own this town. You'll have my protection.
Fine. Meet me at Amusement Mile, the booby trap, in 1 hour. Quit judging.
Come on with the come on. You don't
Sass?
fight fair, but that's okay. See if I can
Come on, kid.
knock me
Let's get you somewhere safe.
We got them.
Little bird! You're gonna be driving Mr. Zaz tonight. Go. Fetch. Amusement Mile, the booby trap.
Do we have to bring him back?
I think you can manage a couple of little girls. Just bring me back my diamond.
with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best